Mm, 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 mm. Hey, yo, what's up? What's up, Alfred? Oh, man. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, come on, man. Mm, 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 I'm not gonna get any new accounts. So I had to actually purchase the live data myself, and I have $18 in my live account, and I had to purchase my own live data for $12. And these prop firms want to charge $140 for it. And here I am. I got gold or commodity, what is it? CME, CBOT, and NYMEX all for $12. And these prop firms want to charge $140 for one. So in combination with my live data and Apex, it's decent. I mean, I'm getting real time data, so I guess that's all that matters. But Apex by itself, obviously, yeah, obviously they cheat. I just hate the fact that I hate the fact that all the good moves are happening in pre-market. And when I say that I'm gonna follow my no Asia rule, I'm following that shit. Like all live accounts are no longer going to be traded in Asia. Only a pre-market account, whether that be a sim or in an account that I've designated to trade in pre-market. Mm. Yeah, this thing, honestly, I might need to get out of this thing. If this thing keeps on going, this thing can go to 900. They can go to 900 if you don't see a rejection right here. Yeah, dude, it is. I don't know what it is, man. Like, what the hell is up with that? Why, like, dude, that you think that trading New York or London or some a volatile, highly volatile session is where your account is gonna go bye bye. No, it's Asia. For whatever reason, it's Asia. Asia's gonna take your account away. Yeah. I was actually looking for this level exactly uh as I was doing my NA meeting levels. And I ain't gonna lie, it hurts seeing that this level hits perfectly and then it dumps. Hey, let's talk about what happened today. Because the market literally moved 10 million points today. Literally moved 10 million points. Man, the market moved today, man. The market, so I mean, from top to bottom, the market, so from yesterday's high to low, which for whatever reason is not on this chart, it's saying that yesterday's high was like 17,000, which it was not 17,000. Yesterday's high was like 18,000. They must have didn't count this wick or some shit. This thing was like 18,360. And I think this was because of that rumor that came out saying that what it don't matter. This was from top to bottom was 1,900 points. 1,900 freaking points yesterday, man. The market gapped down, and the market gapped down 1,034 points. We saw an 826 point rally from here to here. From here, this low to this high was 1,600 or 1,688. And then we saw a price trade in a 650 point range going into the close of the session. So, man, if you did not make money yesterday, your account is gone. I mean, dude, it's either you made money or you blew your account. There is no in between what happened yesterday. There is literally no in between. Yesterday was a great day to trade the Nasdaq. Yo, yeah, Ustani. The market moved literally 10 million points yesterday. Literally 10 million points. That's why I was crying all morning. Like, dude, I went to the gym and cried. Not really. But yesterday, all in different accounts, I made about like 40, 30, 40K. We made 10K in the pre-market, came in the morning, was up 15K, and then in the afternoon, I made an additional 7K. I'm like, man, and it was easy money. And because the market was just moving, the market was on no bullshit yesterday. It was, once it got to supply, it dropped. Once it got to support, it pumped. It was not playing yesterday. It was not playing. And I just hate the fact that I did all that in accounts that don't freaking matter, man. Shit, I was telling Smith, everybody got to hit the Nasdaq yesterday except for my live account. Even my I was up 7K in my practice account. No, 9K in my practice account yesterday. I was like, damn. 9K in a practice account. For what? All I know is that I think this is probably what Blue Sky wanted. It was like, we don't want that guy. We don't want this guy over here. They're trying to I feel like it. They may not be, but I feel like it. And it's working. They want me to make the decision to not go back over there. And they've accomplished that, because after yesterday, these will be my last accounts with Blue Sky. Apex. These will be my last accounts with Apex too. Apex cheated me out of a PA account doing that same shit that y'all guys saw during the stream. Shit, honestly, I should bookmark that stream, or this morning's stream. So when Apex talk about, oh yeah, we don't cheat traders, just the fuck y'all do. I was under your connection. And not only was I not being shown real-time data, on top of not being shown real-time data, my P&L was going up and down, and the candle wasn't even freaking moving. So, and I blew an account because of that. I mean, shit, it took that whole account away. So Apex and Blue Sky. But honestly, I don't have to worry about that, because today MFF made a decision They're allowing me to come back because they said that I've shown that I am a consistently profitable trader, and based on my past performance, I'm taking this seriously. The only drawback, which is not really a drawback for me, is that I can't trade any other account except for the starter accounts and the sim to funded accounts. I can't. I won't know. I won't be allowed to purchase any other accounts outside of that. And I think if I make it to live again and I blow it, they're gonna probably completely ban me from trading with them. Mm. They're gonna completely ban me from trading with them. I was like, shit, cool, because I don't trade any. I don't. All I trade is the starter accounts. I don't trade nothing else. You know what? I made a mistake here. I don't know. I knew exactly where I should have shorted, and I don't know why I shorted here. This is my bad. I know exactly where I should have shorted. I should have shorted at 900. Mm, that's exactly where I should have shorted at. Because I mean, yeah, we're seeing a small pullback, but I think we're gonna to at least see like, if not close to 900, 900. That's my mistake. Yeah, I appreciate that, Ustani. Yeah, like honestly, I kind of felt. I mean, y'all guys saw it this morning. I've been MFF is kind of like my prop home, man. Actually, I mean, technically it is. I mean, that starter account fits my personality in terms of it fits me well. It's big enough and small enough to where I can just trade with one contract. I don't have to over leverage, but it's big enough to allow me to make a mistake. I have $1,200 of drawdown on one contract. I mean, that can be about 3 attempts, 2 attempts. I don't trade more than one contract on those accounts, or at least I try not to. And it has a reasonable profit target goal of 3K. So it's not something that I cannot accomplish. And I can easily be profitable, make my $700 a day. Shit, we sneeze and we're up $700. So that's easy to do. That's easy to accomplish. That's a repeatable goal that we can do. And I keep trying to tell Smith that too. I was like, man, stop trying to go balls on the walls in these accounts. Like, I mean, with these accounts, it's these accounts are not for people that want to see a big P&L, that just want to trade because what you're doing is if you make more than $700 in the 50K starter account, now if you had the 100 or 150K starter accounts, then yeah, making more money is what you need. I think you need to make actually I did the math on it. On the 100Ks, all you need is $700 too. Like you don't need to make a lot of money. So on the 50 and 100K accounts, all you need to make is $700. On the 150K accounts, well, I mean, it doesn't matter anymore. They no longer offer those accounts. But in that account, all you needed was like $1,000. So me just sitting down doing the math, you don't need to over leverage. You just need to show that you can trade. And I think it was designed that way. And if you want all the payouts before, because I mean, you can either you have to get 6 payouts or $6,000 in payouts, I think. Yeah, $6,000 in payouts, or you have to reach the 30-day mark. Now, if you reach the 30-day mark, but you overtrade in those starter accounts and you weren't able to take a payout, they're going to put you in a live account without giving you a payout because you have to stay within that 40% consistency rate. And when I was in the funded chat, some dude was at 140%. And I'm like, dude, what the hell? Like, he's not going to get a payout in that account. He's just not. He had 140%. Like, in 30 days, he may get one payout, maybe one, but I don't understand why you would make more than $700 in the account. I don't get it. But I mean, I understand that, people still do it anyway. But yeah, I appreciate that. I mean, yeah, I mean, I did pass one of my Apex accounts today. And honestly, moving forward, mm, I probably should have took that break even. Probably should have took it. But yeah, like moving forward, I'm going to work on my uh I'm going to work on my emotions. That's the last step for me. I get angry and I take it out on my accounts. And obviously during a sound mind, I talk to myself and I say, that's crazy. The market, you get mad and you take it out on your account. You take it out on all the hard work that you did in the account. Why is that? Like I said, I almost blew my Apex account on Friday. I mean, the only thing that stopped me was because of Apex Connection. So, I mean, Apex Connection kind of saved me last week because it was so laggy. I wasn't able to get into a trade. And that was what stopped me from trading in that account and blowing that shit up. But over the weekend, I was really reflecting on just a lot of things. And I know who I want to be in these markets. I know who I want to be. I know what I want to do. But man, I don't know why I like to self sabotage myself out of that, though. I really don't know why. I really don't know why. Like, cause I know exactly what I'm supposed to do. I know exactly how to trade. I know where I should be getting in at, where I should be getting out at. I know these things, and yet I trade outside of areas where the trades are literally 100% in my favor, and I do that because it's not fun. Gambling is fun, and that's something else I just have to just stop doing. Just got to stop gambling. And it's not gambling. It's trading outside of, highly probable areas. I mean, that's what I mean by that. Just trading outside of highly probable areas, like right here. Like, I mean, I knew I was supposed to kind of short right here, but I mean, I kind of wanted to see if I can kind of get away with shorting right here. Stuff like that. I mean, I'm in an area where I saw that there was supply. And so I guess the kind of the game that I kind of play is that, I mean, if I don't have a perfect entry, would I still be able to survive this? Kind of, sort of. Just kind of make this quote unquote fun. But you know what? As I was talking to Smith about this, I was saying, you know what? Uh, well, he really brought this up. He was saying that, we should be really taking these prop firms for 100K. Like, we really should be authentic prop firm millionaires. No affiliate codes, no affiliate links, making all our money through trading. And we should. Alfred is another one as well. Alfred is definitely another one. He should be up 100K right now if he's not already up 100K. But we should already be, we should not even have jobs. Well, I mean, I don't really do anything in terms of anything uh challenging. I mean, I've already put in the hard work. Now I gotta just do is all right, that's cool. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Anyway, it's gonna probably keep dropping though. It's gonna probably still drop. But you know what? I'm gonna go into the sim. I'm going into sim. Mm. Oh, you oversized too much? And then I mean, yeah, Alfred, why are you doing that? Why are you deviating from your winning strategy? Yeah, I was talking to my brother. I was like, man, I just gotta work on my emotions, man. I get angry when the market doesn't do what I want her to do, damn it. As crazy as that sound said out loud, right? And honestly, let me rephrase that because it's not, I don't get angry. It's not anger, it's frustration. It's frustration. I want her to do what I want her to do, damn it. And it's frustrating when she doesn't. I mean, honestly, it should be easy. I mean, it's easy. All you gotta do is wait for price to go into your area, get into the market, get out of the market, rinse and repeat. Like, that's how easy this shit is. It's me that's making this shit difficult. Mm. Honestly, I feel like, I mean, a lot of people say that they're trying to adjust to this market, but honestly, the only thing that's different is that now the bears get to have fun now. You just can't long the top and sell that shit higher now. I mean, shit, you can short. The shorts work now. I mean, obviously, even in this bear market, the bulls have more momentum. They definitely have more momentum for sure. But the bears are getting their shorts now. I mean, shorts work. Mm. Mm. I got the yells on their toes. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, you traded the whole day in micros? Gain weight. I'm always in the market. And I don't identify as a bear anymore. I don't identify as a bear. Bear is a rainbow at this point to me. 845. Mm. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that, obviously. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Crazy, I had to buy my own damn data. Okay. Mm, 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 mhm. I guess that could be support, huh? Especially if you don't see like a. Oh crap! Let me hurry up and do this shit real quick. Let me do this. All right, so April 7th. April 7th. Man, the market moved today. So yesterday would be, what would yesterday be? Yesterday would be, I guess a bullish trend, I guess. I guess a bullish trend. Yeah, a bullish trend. Yesterday would be a bullish trend. I mean, even in, okay, so obviously we're in a bear market, but we're still having bullish trends in bear markets. Like it's crazy. We've only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Out of the whole year so far, we've only had 23 bearish days in a bear market. This is why I don't associate myself with being a bear. I ain't weak like that. Shit, if I was a bear and I was controlling this market, we're going to zero, damn it. Shit, we going to zero. And we're going to tap zero. We're going to hit negative. We're going to hit in the negative numbers too, damn it. They don't want me to they don't want me to be the top bear in control because we touching zero. We touching zero, damn it. All right. Uh, but yeah, even in this bearish market, the bulls are had more bullish days than the bears. That should tell you something. It's just that whenever we have our bear days, they're just really big. Point rejection, a 1,688 point bounce, and then price traded in a 650 point range. Like think about like, dude, that is absolutely crazy. Price traded in a 650 point range at the end of yesterday's session, yo. Crazy. So again, so we had from last week's close, price dropped 1,034 points to the downside. Price rallied 826 points to the upside. We had a 583 point rejection, a 1,688 point bounce. I guess when that rumor news came out, and then the end of the day, price traded in a 650 point range. Either you made money during yesterday's session or you blew your account. Several accounts at that. All right, this is our boy Alpha right here. Gainway says that he blessed the market last week. He blessed the market last week. All right, so he got let me see if I can. There we go. So shit, you made $4,900 today. Yo, congratulations. And you said all you traded was micros today? Yo, congratulations on that, bro. You said he only traded micros and still made $4,900 today. Congrats, man. Mm-hmm. 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 Did you get that 70K? Were you able to buy that 7,500 or $75,000 account? Or you said a pro account? Oh. Did you get that 75,000 account for free with credits? Because I know Smith was talking about he was able to get one with his credit. And so every time you purchase a test with Take Profit Trader, they give you credit to buy a new one and get one for free. I got the hoes on their toes. Oh, really? Oh shit, that's cool. You know I'm gonna fight it, gain weight. You know I'm gonna fight it, especially if I don't want it to do that. You know I'm gonna fight it. You know I'm gonna fight. Yo, congratulations on that. Like I said, once I get cleaner, and what I mean by that is once I get to the point to where I'm looking at the markets as if I'm not even trading at all, and I'm only taking clean trades per se, where there's little to no drawdown. Because if I go to Take Profit Trader and take all their money, I have to get out of the habit of not taking profits. Or if I'm not going to take my profits, I need to make sure that my target is going to get hit. So either something has to give. Either I take my profits if I'm going to trade impulsively, or I have to be patient and wait for the setup. And you know, the crazy thing is, I don't know which one it will be. I really don't. Trading impulsively is fun. It's addictive. Trading patiently is pain. There's a lot of pain, emotional pain that goes with trading patiently. You got to basically turn off your thinking mind, tell it to shut the hell up, or ignore it. You're going to miss the move. It's going to drop without you. You got to get in. Hurry up, hurry up. If you don't get in now, it's going to drop. Hurry up. And then anxiety, performance anxiety, all kind of stuff. It gets to the point to where you just say, fuck it, and just get in. Just so you can alleviate yourself of that pain. And that's what I have to work on. I have to be okay with missing a move if it doesn't hit my target, man. Or if it doesn't hit my limit. I have to be okay with that. But I'm not okay with that. I'm not. Because of my competitive nature, I have to my inner critic will say, how the hell you missed that move? Like, how the hell you missed it? Like, why you let that move pass you like that? Hmm. Yo, hey, yo, everybody that was in long today and whoever dropped that tariff, yo, I know people was like, yo, thank you. Whoever did this shit right here, and there was probably in calls and it was like, bro, yo, we need something. Give us something. And it was like, I got you. And then they dropped that shit. I mean, this candle was so volatile that it didn't even register as the high of day on my platform. Because I was looking at this and I was like, where did this wick come from? It's like, where the hell did this wick come from? Because it's not on this chart. That move is not on this chart at all. My high of day on this chart is exactly what 7, or maybe it is. Oh my, okay, never mind. Oh no, that's not it. Yeah, it's not on this chart. That must have been how quick it was. We up 11K in gold though. We up 11K in gold though on one contract. All right, let's look at gold. Honestly, I don't know where gold will fit at in my life. I really don't. I really don't know where she fits. I want to trade gold. I really do. But I keep thinking about the Nasdaq when I trade her. I don't think nothing about the ES. I mean, the ES can kiss my. I don't want to trade the ES. I got the holes on a toe. Mm-hmm. 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 I mean, why would I trade the ES when I can trade the Nasdaq? I mean, that's a question I ask myself. The Nasdaq had a 1900 or 1988 point move from top to bottom, from bottom to top. I don't think the ES did anything close to that. I'm up 570 points on the ES, and I'm only up $85,000 on 3 contracts. Ustani, uh, mm, those are algos. There's certain times in the market where we have algorithmic trading, pure algorithmic trading. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the 9 o'clock algo. Obviously, we talk about that every day. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the death algo that happens the last 10 minutes before market close. There's a lunchtime algo around 12:30 Central Time. What is that? 12:30, 1:30 Central or Eastern. Uh, these are just algorithmic moves based on instruction sets given to it by traders. So I mean, even though, let's talk about algorithms. The one thing, so at one point in time, I was, uh, how do I want to say this? I put in a lot of time trying to construct and build a trading algorithm myself to trade because I had a misunderstanding of what they were. I thought at the time that an algorithm was going to be able to, I don't know, tap into the market matrix and I will be highly profitable, not truly understanding what it is. These algorithms are just basically are just bots that follow the instructions of traders that code them. So basically, all these algorithms are just avatars of you or its creator taking the trades without the emotion. So if I have a 27 point stop, the algorithm is going to take me out at that 27 point stop. Me, on the other hand, I may move it. I mean, that's the only difference between me and an algorithm. Now, we're not going to sit here and say that these algorithms don't have data scraping. to where they're always scraping the internet. They're looking at headlines, they're looking at buzzwords, and then they react to those words. These algorithms have perfect executions in terms of they can execute trades faster than you can, obviously, based on the APIs that they use to execute these trades. Uh, they're highly proficient. That's why high frequency trading is a thing. A lot of the times, high frequency trading is just trading the inefficiencies of bid and ask price. The price doesn't have to move; they're just trading the bid and ask, and they're rapidly trading back and forth between those between that. Basically, like I said, basically trading the inefficiencies between them. But just for regular trading, once I understood that, my focus shifted on, you know what, I really don't want a bot to trade for me. What do I learn? And I mean, yeah, when I look at my account, if it's following the rules that I set, that I've given it, then I should be profitable. I should always come to my account and it's passive income. But we all know by now that that's not going to fly with me. I'm not going to learn nothing if a bot is doing all my trades. I mean, I don't learn nothing. I'm not going to learn nothing about myself. I'm not going to learn emotional control. I'm not going to learn any of those things. I'm not going to experience any of those things if I allow a bot to do it for me. So um, I'm going to do it. And I'm going to overcome this challenge. I'm going to overcome it. I'm going to overcome all the emotions. I'm going to overcome it. Make sure I put this in, put this data in. Okay. So we got a new week. New week. So April 7th, April 8th, April 9th. All right. So all right. So today was a trend day. So what? So 17, 580, 17, 555. Oh, that's the wrong. That's the wrong one. Okay, so 840. It got all the way up to 855. So I was only down 15 points on this trade. But shit, 15 points. And then from my entry, that was like almost like a 200-point drop. 17, 840, 17, 850. Yeah, I don't want to do that anymore. 17, 890, 17, 920. Yeah, I mean, shit, all that fear, all that fear. You know, the crazy thing about fears, and this is why I just find it, the concept of it so crazy. Fear makes you fear the things, like if you literally makes what you don't want to happen happen. I wonder why that is. 17,475. If you fear blowing your account, your fear will do exactly that. Why the hell is that? Why is fear of loss, fear of success, fear of missing out, fear of this and fear of that is all the recipe that you need to blow your account? Fear, 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 fear. Oh, I fear that it's going to hit my stop. So what do? You readjust it. You deviate from your plan because you're fearful that the market is going to stop you out and come back in your direction. And if you're trading the Nasdaq, I mean that's a real fear. That's a real fear to have because she does shit like that. I do the homework on the weekend. She does that shit. She will stop you out and go in your direction. So I mean that's a very that fear is justified. But at the same time, it is fear nonetheless. Mm. Ugh. I mean, if I trade the ES, I mean, I just can't do it, man. Just can't do it. Mm. Mhm. 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 I mean, this thing only traded 6 points. And y'all guys know I trade with an 11-point stop on the ES just cause. Just cause. Mhm. Mhm. But I hate being patient to wait for the setup. I want my money and I want it now. I want my money and I want it now. Mm. Alright. Yeah, I should have paid attention to that. I mean, it's not like I didn't know that. I should have paid attention to it. Mm. Mhm. Wow. Huh. Damn. $300 a day, huh? Damn. Okay. Never mind. Huh. I mean, you'll keep the account longer for sure. Yeah. But you'll leave a lot of money in the account. Mm. Hey, yo, what's up, Tommy? What's up? Mm. This trade is taking forever. So, what I was just doing was kind of planning on, how I'm going to approach these starter accounts. Obviously, I'm going to pass them by trading how I want in the eval stage, but when it gets to the funded side, you have to be very strategic in how you trade this. I've been saying that I should at least make $700 a day, but doing the math, I think all I need to make is $300 a day, and that's stupid easy. That's 18 points. That's stupid easy, yo. That is stupid easy. Huh. Hmm. Huh. Hmm. $32.50. Hmm. Hmm. I think we might get a retest up here. Might get a retest somewhere, probably like 855, 860, potentially. Unless this is unless this is support and this is price filling these passive buy orders right here. Because we've had a breaker structure, then we had another breaker structure, and this could be the bulls buying the retest right here at the 21 EMA. So, I mean, if you're in this short, just be mindful that this could be the bulls buying the breaker structure retest. This is where they broke structure. They came back up. They're pulling back. They could be trying to buy the retest here. So just be mindful that they could be buying the retest here. I think that we get it. I think we at least. I think we at least come back and test this area right here. I mean, this is definitely a good area for the bulls and the bears. For the bulls to start a position right here, and for the bears to take profits. That's a good spot right there. I'm not saying that the bulls or the bears will be successful in getting there, but I think that's a good spot because this is another area where price broke structure. That's another area right here. We got them breaking structure to the upside. Right there. This candle right there. Because obviously, and then this whole area right here is a value area right here. Ew. Ugh. Mhm, 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 mhm. Got these hoes on my. I was gonna say like, damn, I like that. Boop, 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 boop. These random videos just start playing. Mm, 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 mm. That was a blue flag. What the hell is that? Let me look that up. Bull flag. What the hell is that at? Let's say bull flag. Uh, yeah, that would hurt a lot of bears' feelings. That would hurt a lot of bears' feelings right there. That would hurt some feelings tonight. That would hurt some feelings tonight for sure. Mhm, 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 mhm. Yep. Yeah, the market potentially can come back up into this range right here. That's if we see that if they find support here. I mean, eventually price is going to come back into this range, obviously, but if they find support in this range, yep, 18, yep, 1805. Right there. Mm. Yeah, I guess I'll use that account for that. Yeah, I'll use that account for that. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah, Tommy, I think that definitely could be the Bulls buying the retest right here. And this is I mean, it's not a coincidence that we could see a move all the way up here to 18K. It's not a coincidence. It's definitely not. Huh. Look at ES real quick and see if ES can move. Because I mean, if the ES can do it, then the Nasdaq definitely will. If the ES will do it, the Nasdaq definitely will. I don't think the ES is. Yeah. Well, I mean, there is a lot of wicks right here on ES. It's a lot of wicks. Mm. ES just can't find support above 187. If we break out above 187 and come back and find support, then bears are done. Bears are done. Mm. You said Florida just beat Houston? Okay. Damn. I know that hurts. I know that hurts. It was a close game. 2 points. That means that somebody came in clutch in the last on that last shot. And I know that hurts. Yeah, because I mean they had him in the first half. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I know that sucks. Actually, as I was coming home from the gym, I seen it's obviously this is like I guess a big family, and all of them had Houston flags flying from their cars, and I was like, huh, they must be playing tonight, not knowing that they was actually playing. Actually, my first initial thought was, why are they driving three separate cars? That was my first initial thought. Like, why y'all driving three separate cars? But every single one of them had the Houston flag from them flying from their cars. So apparently, they was probably going to like a game, a party tonight, watching the game. But yeah, especially when everybody's a competitor, like them 2 points will kill you. I mean, it's one thing like it losing the 2 points versus losing a 10 point game, 5, 10. You can accept that because obviously the team was just that better. But just that means that y'all was just neck and neck. It's just that fate was on the other team or is in the favor of the other team, and that hurts. That hurts for it being so damn close like that. Mm. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. And this is how I want to trade, just like this, baby. One contract or catching points on one contract. This is how I want to trade. This is how I will be trading moving forward. I think I mean this is how we have been trading, at least. Like I said, I want to stick to this style because this style is more relatable to people. And obviously, I want my stream to be as relatable as possible. So trading 3 to 5 minis is there we go, baby. Look at that. That's not realistic for a lot of people. All right, so let's see if she plays around at my target. Let's see. And let's see if she plays around with it. Hmm. Well, shit, I don't care what the hell it does after it hits my target. I don't care what the hell it does. Ah, man. Of course. Of course. The market don't want to see me win. She don't want to see your boy win. She don't want to see your boy win. 2 ticks. She don't want to see your boy. Look at that, boy. The Nasdaq is nasty. She is nasty, boy. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Hmm. Wow. I mean, that's the type of stuff that'll make you cry right here. That's the type of stuff that'll make you cry. Says, don't even try that. She don't even respond to that. Don't even try. She doesn't even respond to that. She doesn't even respond to that. Oh, that's so hilarious. She doesn't even respond to that. Hmm. You know, Tommy, uh, I've made it a point to not even trade my funded accounts during Asia and just waiting until the markets are more liquid in the morning. Uh, I have an account designated to trade pre-market. I think I'm going to actually have my Tradeovate or my Top Step account also be an account that I trade in the pre-market as well. And that's just going to be exclusively pre-market, base hits, win or lose, no revenge trade. We're just going to take trades until either we pass it or until we blow it. I'm going to use that account for that. Mm. I just think that it's funny that the Nasdaq chose to do that. She was going until she got 2 ticks away from my target and then she turned around. Mm. Oof. Damn, dude. Damn. 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 Oh, he doesn't care about that. Omar, you asking if I'm trading prop firms? Yes, I am trading a prop firm account. I would never. Let me rephrase that. I find it hard to trade my own personal funds in the market, the futures market, especially when there's companies out here that's willing to fund and pay out. I just find it hard to trade my own funds and put my own funds at risk. Now, if we did not have future prop firms, I would probably slowly but surely build up an account. Probably put no more than 15 to 2K into an account and only trade micros. But as long as prop firms exist and they pay out, I just don't see a point in trading a personal account. Well, I guess I mean if you have a personal account with over $50,000 in it, $20,000. I mean, if you have a an account with a lot of buying power in it, then yeah, I mean, why not? But I just don't. I mean, I'm not gonna put that much money in an account, a personal account to trade, unless I'm like unless everything in my life is straight. I have a lot of responsibilities, so I just can't. Um, I wouldn't be able to justify putting that much money in an account and potentially losing it. Hmm. Yeah, Ustani, I don't know if this thing wants to hit it, man. You know the Nasdaq likes to play around before she gives you what you want. I mean, she literally came 2 ticks away from my target. Uh, you guys saw, well, you saw how my stop came down and she rejected it. So this is how I know the Nasdaq did this on purpose. My stop tried to come down and she rejected it didn't accept my stop, and so my stop went right back up there. So yeah, yeah. I mean, I feel the same way, Tommy. I feel the same way. I mean, why? Because I mean, like I said, I was watching this guy. He's a trader that also produces content, Casinator. Uh, he shared one of his experience how he lost $25,000 in an account, and he lost it the same way I would lose it, just trading on tilt. Uh, I know that I have an issue with trading on tilt. That's probably the biggest barrier for me to trade my own funds. I'll trade on tilt and I won't care in the moment. I'll care all afterwards when it don't matter no more. But in the moment, I'll blow. I mean, shit, I'll blow all that, and I know I will do it. And then I'll be pissed. I'll be disappointed at myself after I'm done. But in the moment, it doesn't matter if I'm up. It doesn't matter if I'm down. I'm trading because I'm angry. I'm being fueled by anger, and I won't stop until I blow up. I can be up $1 million. I mean, I'll probably take profits, but I'll keep trading because I'm angry. Once I get a hold of that, uh, I would feel more comfortable. But then still, I mean, even if I get over that, it's like, well, shit, I can copy trade these accounts and still get paid out from these prop firms. So it's like, every time I try to game theory this and try to make sense and try to make it make sense, I mean, I just can't. I can't make it make sense to me. Now, if I made $1 million in a prop account, I would feel it's like, damn. I mean, damn. That would have been nice in my personal account, but mm. You say, are you asking if I'm trading the 7:30 news? Probably not. Probably not. I'm trying to create these good trading habits. I'm not actually. We don't have. Do we have news? I could have sworn we don't really have any news on 7:30. Let me make sure because I don't think we got news at 7:30 tomorrow. Yeah, I think tomorrow's a light day. Stupid website. I can't believe they have. Yo, I can't believe this site has lazy loading that is super lazy. Yeah, we don't have anything at 7:30 tomorrow. I mean, the only thing of significance that we have that's on the calendar right now is that we have a Fed speaker at 1 o'clock. But no one cares about the red book. If it ain't beige, we don't care about it. I got okay. But all right, guys, that's it for me. Uh, we'll come back tomorrow, and we'll definitely look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.